and then we do it as courteous as possible. Okay, security people, please assist. Assist. If you want to take a photo with BB, the entrance is on that end. We will do it one at a time. So the overall entrance and then this part will be the exit. So please coordinate with the volunteers in that area for the security. Thank you.
Sa piling
Ay, ako? Dalawa na ka lang tayo.
Ayun na.
Mag-selfie na.
Away drama
Ito na ang selfie.
para sa pagkasinto.
Volunteers, we will take a photos with VP later. We will prioritize the Malang people. Please, let's help each other, please.
Sa piling mo.
Isa-isa lang
Volunteers, we will take a photo with VP Sarah later. So for now, we need to move forward. We need to work. Okay? I would like to ask the volunteers to assist the people that are coming from this area.
Para sa pagkasinto.
Malinaw pa ang mga volunteers. Also, volunteers, we need volunteers to the exit area. Please facilitate. The people that are finished doing the selfie has to be out. Exit.
Madilim na lahat. Sa piling
We would like to ask all the participants to clean your own mess. They go clean as we go.
ayun na.
Please approach the volunteers. We have black plastic bags for the garbage. Please approach them and let's leave the area clean and green. Amen.
Tayo lang po ay nagiging tayong tulog dahil po tayo ay nakalabilang
We would also like to inform that it is most regrettable to turn down a gift, but we greatly appreciate your friendship and cooperation, as we believe that your generosity should be shared by the world. We would highly appreciate if you could send your gifts to any of the following. 1. Love the Children Foundation. Number 2. SOS Children Village Danao Incorporated. And 3. Filipino Conservation Program Foundation. People that are in line in this area, please ready your camera for the selfie para madali po tayong forward. Let's keep chancing other people to take a selfie.
Ayun na.
Ready ang telepono.
We would also like to ask people who would like to help us clear the area for the fencing. Please approach one of our volunteers to facilitate. Thank you. Ang pila is doon po sa end na yun. Dito po ang pila, doon po sa end.
Ready nyo po yung telepono ninyo. Pakisabi ko dapat nakaready na po yung
Has all the time to take pictures with us, as long as we are calm, as long as we're respectful with each other. And while waiting, you can pick up your privilege so that we will leave the area clean and green. Thank you. Ready your camera.
Pilipinas. Ayun na.
music pa, music. Tingnan niyo sino. Sige na, sige na.
Ayun na, Pilipinas. Ayun na. Hawak kamay tayo para sa paglalasing totoo.
We would like to assure the public that VP will accommodate selfies. So we just need to be patient because VP is only one versus 5,000. Okay? VP 2,000 at 5,000 plus.
Sa piling mo, di ko mawawala. Ayun na, Pilipinas. Ayun na, ako. Hawak kamay tayo para sa paglalasing totoo. Ayun na, Pilipinas. Ayun na, ako. Hawak kamay tayo para sa paglalasing totoo.
Huwag lang tatawag. Touchy. No touchy.
Madilim na lahat.
Next, please.
Ikaw ang alaako. Sa piling mo, di ka mawawala. Ayun na, Pilipinas. Ayun na, ako. Hawak kamay tayo para sa paglalasing totoo.
Hindi po pwedeng
Madilim na kami. Ikaw ang alaako. Sa piling mo, di ka mawawala. Ayun na, Pilipinas. Ayun na, ako. Hawak kamay tayo para sa
charity where you can direct your own donation. The first one here is the Love of Children Foundation. The second is SOS Children Village Davao Incorporated. And number 3 is the Philippine Eagle Conservation Program Foundation. So if you are willing to donate to the office of the Vice President, she would prefer, or the office would prefer for you to direct your donations. Thank you.
Tayo na, Pilipinas. Tayo na, ako. Awas, mamay tayo. Para sa pagkasenso. Para sa pagbabago. Sawa na bayan ko sa magnanakaw ng trapo. Madilim na kahapon, ikaw ang madago. Sa piling mo, di ko